It's a welcoming sight as we come home at night with bright shining tree lamps leading the way to a charming old farmhouse. Lighted with majestic tree lamps mesmerize us by the surroundings and offers peace and quiet, which can be very beneficial for those who want to escape the stressful city life and enjoy a more serene environment. Resting inside your home accompanied with a cradling melodious cricket sounds would really feel a heavenly vibe. Would you want to escape the peaceful night's sleep? Living near the river is a brilliant decision since it offers several benefits. Being near to a stream not just manages you to see a stunning view on nature, yet it likewise keeps you satisfied and healthy. A serene view of nature is given by living close to a river. No one would want to miss the crepuscular rays, the drizzle. You might get sleepy to a whistling crickets or awakened by the streaming waterfalls, instead through the horn of a passing transport and chaotic city life. Wealthy families preferred to build a vacation house to have a dedicated space for leisure and relaxation, a zen space that melts away their stress. This can strengthen their overall quality of life and provide a shelter from the burdens of everyday living. For some, living close to the river aligns with their lifestyle aspirations, reflecting a desire for a more relaxed and a place to unwind. Living close to stream provides a haven away from the daily grind, a sanctuary when you need a break. What could someone possibly do after his retirement if he gets tired to a chaotic city life? They can plan a trip for vacation to explore their adventurous desires or might choose to return to wildlife surrounded by an exceptional beauty of nature to aspire a better, healthier future. Being surrounded by vegetation, animals and river, leave you feeling rejuvenated, less stressed, and generally in a better mood. Ecosystem makes the area more vibrant, potentially leading to a pleasant ambience. Tree lamps create a sense of warmth and comfort to a space. It evokes an emotional connection and sense of happiness. The ultimate comfort zone, a place to recharge and catch up on sleep, or spending time doing something to enjoy. Finding calm and serenity in the comfy corners of your space is the best. Being acquainted with this place has complete control over your immediate environment. People accept that caring and focusing on the environment is a sacred obligation. They saw the normal world as a creation of God, meriting appreciation and stewardship. The scripture proves how wonderful the world is, from enormous things like mountains, seas and rivers to little things like plants, flowers and birds down to the tiniest insects. Psalm 96 verses 11 to 12, Let the heavens rejoice, let the earth be glad, let the sea resound, and all that is in it. Let the fields be jubilant, and everything in them, let all the trees of the forest sing for joy. Then God said, Let the earth sprout vegetation, plants yielding seed, and fruit trees on the earth bearing fruit after their kind with seed in them, and it was so. The earth brought forth vegetation, plants yielding seed after their kind, and trees bearing fruit with seed in them, after their kind, and God saw that it was good. Genesis 1 verses 11 to 12.